grid, and the same is working as before. So what is the idea here? Contracting projections are ones that are not like of the left type and not of the right type. If you are doing the right type, it wouldn't work, and you can prove that. You have to have this property. The cutting plane is defined as all the points left or right of it, very simple. And like the partitioning function can be defined as being 1 if you're on one side and else 0 on the other side. And given that, you can now build up multidimensional grids. And you need a coding function, which is uniquely identifying every grid cell to be able to store it later in the index structure. And this is done by this coding function. And this is uniquely identifying every cell with a number. And you can have now arbitrary grids. It can be this type of a grid. It's just a projection that is going this way here, and then you partition into 2 halves. And you can recursively do that. Take any set of cutting planes and then do that. And you can even have arbitrarily shaped cutting planes. This is also a cutting plane. We just have no computer algorithms to do that easily. So you need some human kind of input here or some segmentation algorithms that help you to find these. And then the algorithm is quite easy. Determine a set of contracting projections, however you get them. Then determine the best cutting planes. Then if there are no good cutting planes, you are done. Otherwise, determine this multidimensional grid. Basically do the highly populated grid cells as before. And then for each of these cells, you recursively do the same algorithm. You can do it hierarchically, which is important depending on the data properties. And this really helps. You see now we are staying up there, finding all the clusters, even in higher dimensions. And you see here